Once upon a time, there lived two neighbors. Each of them had a garden outside their house. One of them was a retired school teacher. She was known for being a simple person and was very knowledgeable. The other was an engineer who was very tech-savvy. Both of them had a garden outside their house. The retired teacher poured just the right amount of water to her plants. She didn't give them a lot of attention. Meanwhile, the engineer constantly watered his plants and pampered them with constant care. One sunny day, dark clouds gathered in the sky. There were strong gusts of wind. Suddenly, it started raining very heavily. The heavy rain was lashing against the windows of the neighboring houses. The next morning, the rain stopped and the sun was shining brightly. The engineer was very worried about his plants and he was shocked to see all his plants damaged. All the plants were uprooted and scattered on the ground. The anxious engineer wondered about the teacher's garden and was shocked to see hardly any damage. He wondered, how are her plants so strong? I thought she hardly gave any attention to her plants. The engineer walked up to the teacher and asked, "You gave them very little water. How come they are so strong?" "I watered them, gave them so much attention, but all of them uprooted. How is that so?" The teacher smiled and explained. When I gave them less water, they were forced to stretch their roots deeper into the earth in search of water. Because of this, they are able to stand strong in any storm. Since you pampered them with attention, they got used to it and could not survive the storm. The engineer then understood. The same story applies to parents. When they guide their children, the children then learn and live independently. If children are constantly pampered, they are unable to live independently. This causes problems. Neighbors. Retired teacher. Engineer. Window. Plants. Wind.